Editing a trading account at ePlanet Brokers. Log into your ePlanet Brokers user panel. From the side menu in your user panel, select My Accounts. If you already have a trading account with ePlanet Brokers, you can view the details of your existing trade account in this section. To edit the details of trading account you have created, you can manage it from this page. Click on three-dot icon from the opened menu. Under Change Leverage, you can modify the leverage of your trading account. To change or receive any password for logging into your trading account, click on the desired password option on the newly opened page. After confirming that your email address is correct, click on Send. Go to your email inbox and copy the one-time security code. Then return to your user panel, enter the code, and click on Confirm. On the new page, in the first field, enter your new password. In the second field, re-enter the password to confirm it. Please note that the password you choose must include uppercase and lowercase English letters, numbers, symbols. The password must be at least 8 characters long and include at least 1 uppercase English letter, 1 lowercase English letter, 1 number, and 1 symbol. Then, by clicking on Reset, complete the password change process. You can also access your new password via email. Please note that the investor password is for view-only access. Using this password, you will not be able to place trades. By clicking on Trade History, you can access the detailed trading history of your trading account. To receive trade reports by email, you can enable the relevant checkbox. Pay attention. When making any changes to your trading account, please ensure that there are no open trades on the related account.